Muskan Attar. Basically, I am from Mudo, Bangalore district, Karnataka, and I am graduated from BGMIT College in the year of 2022 with Electronics and Communication specialization. And after completion of my degree, I came to a Java Institute where I didn't get any opportunities due to recession. After that, I struggled to get placed in any company. After that, one of my friends suggested me to join Indian Institute of Embedded Systems. He already got placed from that institute, and after that I attended that course and I completed my course, and I learned C, C++, embedded C, communication protocols, and microprocessors, microcontrollers, and data structure and algorithm, basic electronics. After completion of my course, my placement faculties helped me to get trained in a good way, and after that I got many opportunities from IIES, and I got placed in a Matrix Comsec Private Solution with package of 7.5. Thank you. I am thankful to the IIES staff and IIES Institute for this opportunity.